Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope people have some good plans for Mother's Day today. So let's try to keep this one brief. So IWMY, so for like last week, started at $15.13 and then collected, six cents in premium. And then let's see what we have for the coming day. So unfortunately, in terms of option premium, was only collecting another penny. So not the most exciting, but at least the share price improved a little bit. And let's take a look at JPY. So it started off at from last week, $16.02. So collected like a 4 cent premium per share. Let's see what we have like a new week. So okay, so doing a little bit better in terms of share price as well. $16.20, and then collecting a 6 cent premium. And then let's take a look at QQQY. Here you see like $14.50 from the prior week. 5 cent premium. So let's see if it does better. Okay, so again, slight improvement in terms of share price, and then also the premium went up a little bit for 2 cents. And then let's take a look at SPYT over here. So 1936 share price, and 6 cent. Uh, Actually, I'm sorry about that. $19.30 covered call position. So let's see what we have for this week. So improved to 1966, and then 1934 for the covered call position. So slight improvement. So that's always a good thing. And then take a look at Trez. So $17.17. 4 cent credit, which is surprising. So then it improved to like a 21 cent debit, so that's good. 17.20 for the share price. So again, a slight improvement. So that's always a good thing. And then we have our new friend over here, USOY. So let's see. I think it started off on this date. Oops, sorry. So 19. Okay, so well, basically we have basically one real day of data. A bit of a minor stubble from $20 to 1981, but there's some time for recovery over there. And then so well, since USOY is still new, so I'm looking forward to this one because it's good to see that there's other energy based cover call ETFs. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this one. There's no need for me to rush. Uh, and then of course, like you guys can feel free to do whatever you want. So hopefully this one does well. And let's just take a look at like kind of like the overall picture. So about half a million, excuse me, half a billion, in terms of like just like the size of the portfolio. And over the course of the week, it improved slightly for everybody. And so I guess like with the help of the new guy, hopefully they can keep growing and then keep creating like slightly different variation on the funds, because I still think they have like the other like target funds still left, and then also the like the kind of like the international ETFs, and as well as like the treasury, like another treasury fund, and like the natural gas and like the gold ETF as well. So hopefully they can roll those out sooner rather than later. So thank you for watching. I hope everyone has a great Mother's Day again, and I'll see you in the next video. Hope people have a good week. Bye now.